This is 1. You and I have one nose. This is 2. You and I have 2 eyes. This is 3. We see 3 beautiful balloons. This is 4. This vehicle has 4 wheels. This is 5. Look, we have 5 fingers on our hands. Check your hand, there is 5 figures. This is 6. This ladybug has 6 legs. This is 7. We see 7 beautiful colors in this rainbow. This is 8. Look at this crab. It has 8 legs, and they are easy to count. This is 9. These beautiful flowers are blooming. Let's count all 9. This is 10. We have 10 fingers on our hands. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great counting. We counted all the way to 10.